I'm back in the kitchen with my sister.
And today we're making cupcakes!
Teamwork!
Yay! Okay. Mommy is gonna do
The flour.
the flour mix.
Your turn, Mooch. Yeah, we're making cupcakes. Yeah, we're making cupcakes. Now that we're done for cupcake mix, we'll go pour it into the pan.
And don't forget the non-stick.
When you're almost done with your cupcakes, set the oven to 350. When you're done filling up your pan, ask your mom to put it in the oven.
For 25 minutes.